So Ludger, what are the benefits of PROGNOST Wireless for existing customers and for new customers?
Yeah. For the existing customers, the big advantage is you still have a monitoring communication data unit with the necessary Visu software to visualize everything. So you can easily connect a gateway or several gateways, more than 24 gateways, to one monitoring communication data unit, and can connect 12 sensors minimum, wireless sensors to one gateway. And so the idea is to extend your existing online condition monitoring system with some wireless sensors for less critical machines. So possibly you have machines where you have nothing on, you get no information, or you have machines where you do handheld measurements every 4 weeks or whatever. And so you do not need any personnel because you can install on areas where you normally cannot do measurements on the machine in a wireless sensor and get, for example, every hour 27 values per sensor from the machine, so that you can create a nice trend over the 24 hours. That helps you easily to detect changes in vibration. And there are some more advantages because you have a connection from your monitoring communication data unit to your DCS system. So that means if the operation condition of the machine will change, and the vibration will change, you get this information, and then you know, why do we have higher vibration on my wireless sensor? Because operation condition changed. So you will not run into trouble or warnings, possibly only by changing your operation condition. And another big advantage is you can start and stop the sensor from the PROGNOST T. That means if the machine is not running, we can shut off the sensor. And when the machine restarts, then we know there's a change of operation condition. The machine is restarting, creating an information we can use in the PROGNOST T to activate the sensor, and the sensor will immediately start doing measurements and send data to the PROGNOST T. So that is a nice functionality, and by starting off and restarting the sensor, we can extend the lifetime of the battery.
Yeah, of course.
That's a big advantage.
And now, would you say that PROGNOST has closed the gap? You know, because until now we only monitored certain critical machines. Now we offer a monitoring system for, or a monitoring add-on.
Yes.
Yeah,
because there were many end users who asked, do we have a handheld we can use? And can we analyze the data from the handheld in your Visu software? That would be a nice to have. But then we decided a handheld, it's not really a perfect solution. It's much better to have a wireless sensor because you do not need personnel doing all these jobs every 4 weeks or whatever, then doing the analysis till you have information. It's a long time ago. So now you get permanently, every hour, for example, a lot of information per sensor, per machine into your Visu software. So you have one system and you have it for your critical machines and for your less critical machines. So that is a nice functionality and the big advantage in comparison to handheld measurements, for example.
Does PROGNOST Wireless only apply for PROGNOST customers?
The idea is first to supply it to existing end users because they have the hardware and the software. So it's really easy to extend the system for low costs. But if we have nothing, then it's also nice to have because we can also provide a small computer unit with an analysis and visualization software. So, but in this case, the end user has also to buy the hardware software. So, but it's possible. It's also as a standalone system available, and with all these nice functionalities, we can also create a connection to the DCS system. We can restart the sensors based on information from the DCS, if the machine is running or not. So to extend the lifetime of a battery. So we have at the end the same advantages, but if we have an existing end user, it's much easier and for less cost to extend the system.